These are the Tundra V3 waterproof riding gloves, the third generation of ViaTerra's purpose-built, durable and much loved full gauntlet waterproof and insulated riding gloves. With each generation of the Tundra, we've tried to improve comfort, protection and performance based on internal design and usage-based inputs, as well as feedback from all of you who put our gear through the most challenging scenarios in the real world. The Tundra V3 introduces several improvements to comfort and functionality of these waterproof gloves. We've redesigned the accordion panels behind the knuckle as well as those on the fingers, providing larger accordion panels on the ring and pinky finger, which are usually more bent while your hands are on the handlebar. Reflective elements have been introduced on the index and middle finger, and EVA foam padding on the fingers has also been improved with additional protection on the side of the little finger. The stitching pattern near the cuff has also been improved for more durability and comfort. Speaking of the cuff, the Tundra V3 comes with a large pull tabs that make it easier to wear the glove. The dual closure system has also been improved with wider and larger tabs on each, which reduces the likelihood of damage to softer parts of the gloves from contact with abrasive Velcro patches. The underside of the glove has also seen improvements. The leather panel on the palm has been reinforced for more durability, and the protective panel of SuperFabric has been reshaped to offer more coverage and slide protection. The positioning and pattern of the engineered silicone panels on the palm and thumb, index and middle fingers has been changed to better match the point of contact on the handlebar and levers. These silicone panels hugely improve handlebar grip, especially in wet riding conditions. We have also added additional wraparound abrasion protection on the side of the pinky finger. Overall, the Tundra V3 has a more sleek, clean and modern look than the outgoing model that reflects the no-nonsense approach of this product. The Tundra V3 retains all that has been tried and tested in previous generations, including the durable triple-layered construction with waterproofing, insulation and abrasion resistance. What has improved is ease of use, functionality and of course protection. In a nutshell, the Tundra V3 waterproof riding gloves have taken a really good thing and made it even better. To find out more about these insulated waterproof riding gloves or any other riding gloves from ViaTerra's extensive portfolio, please visit our website using the link in the description below. If you have any specific questions about the new version of the Tundra, feel free to drop them in the comments too. Thank you for watching.